All right, I'm back. So there's the 302 Super with the Ford, I think it's a 917 flail chopper. We're out here at the Boone County Tractor Club, one of the fields we farm. We're planning to plow this later, but we got lots of corn stalks, so plan is fire this bed and chop some stalks. So let's see. Where's the fuel? Come on. Where? All right, fuel is on. Oh, get up on that bad boy and get it off the trailer. See if we can't destroy some stalks tonight. Kind of surprised we got like one row of like dirty, lots of weeds and stuff. There's corn still on all that stuff. As I get a little farther into it, I'll probably stop and pick the ears off. Anyway, oh, look at that. All right, so that's running. That should be coming up. Can't tell. Can't see what I'm doing. That's up. That should be the go back gear. All right, here we go. Yeah, good steering. Here we go. Going backwards. Down the ramp. Oh boy. Driving over chains and stuff. Oh boy. Not even close. Here we go. A little bit more. There we go. Oh boy. Down we go. Oh! Fell off the ramp. Yeah, shit happens. Anywho. Alright. I'll try second gear. Oh, she's a whirling. Away we go, I reckon. Oh, there we go. All right. See if we can't get this lined out and going and stuff. Oh, you know what? Horrible video. Because I don't GoPro or nothing. I got a handheld camera. Dad said we might want to extend this out a little bit. I don't know which way's out. I need to make this longer so it rolls that back more, so we're not cutting quite so short. Anyway, I'm gonna cut you off here and I'll be back.